Hey guys, what's up? I'm sitting in my living room today wanting to make an art or like DIY and chill video. I want to make a DIY and chill video with you guys, and I've got a bunch of things to do. I've got some shirts to cut up. I've got some shirts to cut up. I've got a pair of jeans to draw over. So let's get into it. I'm drinking a cup full of guava juice. I have these two sheets.
This is impossible.
I was sick and I just got better. Not only am I trying to get back into the groove of filming, I'm also trying to get back into the groove of just being a human being. So please pardon me. So I've got these two t-shirts. This one I tie-dyed it myself during COVID and I'm very proud of it. It says gelato on it. You must have seen my Instagram post. If you remember, I don't know. It's just too long. I don't wear it anymore and I want to. Second is this t-shirt. This is a sentimental one, but it's just awfully long. How am I supposed to wear this? I have this t-shirt that my mom got from the brand Candies. I think this is sold in pantaloons. Cute t-shirt. The size is perfect to wear over jeans. So I'm just going to take this as a guide and cut these. Like, look, try it on for you first. This is how big it looks. Like, it covers my entire butt. What's happening? You just love it so much. The thrill of cutting a piece of clothing is so exciting that then you just want to cut every single piece of item. In the last you saw me, I was posting daily for 9 days during the 9 days of Navratri, and that made me fall back in love with and get into the groove of posting. But then I fell off the groove right after Diwali. Can you see it? Right after Diwali, because I fell ill, and that was all because of Wow Momos, and I'm ready to shame them. These are not even cloth scissors, it's just a normal scissor. Back when I came to India the first time after 2 years of COVID, I burned my tongue. I had like visible burn marks on my tongue, but I thought it's because I'm not used to the spice anymore. Okay, I had it again, this time right before Diwali, and it burned my throat. To cure it, Google said drink a lot of icy drinks, have ice cream, eat ice. That's what I did. Did it cure my throat? Yes. Did I fall ill because of it?
Also, yes.
Still taking my nasal spray medicines. Hopefully it'll get better. Right now I'm sweating because I can't switch on the fan because of this video. Oh my god, this is so annoying without a cloth scissor. Maybe I should buy some cloth scissors that'll help. Honestly speaking, it's not that bad. Almost like it looks cropped now, but I like it. I asked you guys for some topics and you gave me some. Let's see. This was a DIY and chill, not DIY and let's think about my life, but since you guys asked for it. Number one thing is, what are changes you think had happened to your life after coming to aviation? I genuinely, I'm not gonna lie, I had this idea to make a video about this, but as you guys know, I've calmed down on my aviation content. I would like to continue having a job in aviation, guys. So if you don't want me to be kicked off, you will still subscribe and still watch, because I do not want to make aviation content at the moment. That's why I stopped posting on my memberships also, which is very sad because you guys were enjoying it, but oh well. To answer this question right now and not go into too much detail, okay, we have this saying in aviation called once a cabin crew, always a cabin crew, which is very true. Once you step into aviation, okay, especially the way you talk, the way you conduct yourself, making sure that when you leave a restaurant, like say even McDonald's, you make sure to throw out the trash, because you know it's not their duty to pick up your plates. If you can make someone's job easier, why not? So I feel like you learn that stuff. I have met cabin crew who were bad customers though, so I'm not gonna say everybody is going to face and be changed with the same thing, but for me, it has changed the way I look at the food industry or customer service forever, the way I look at jobs. No job is small enough now for me as long as you are earning an honest salary. Look at this. This looks so cool now. This looks so amazing. I'm wearing all of these now. I feel like I just cleansed myself when I cut these t-shirts. Like, look at how much I cut. A lot. I learned how to travel alone, be by myself alone. Aviation being a pretty lonely industry, I've learned how to kind of live with colleagues or friends who you might meet today, and then the next time you meet them will be after months. The third piece of clothing I'm going to DIY is this white pair of jeans from Levi's. Amazing. From afar you might say it's amazing, but let me get near. I don't know if you can tell, there's like this chai marks. I spilled chai on them. Just overall it has lost color. Then at the bottom there's just permanent black marks on it, because I wear these on every layover. I have been for the past, I think 4 years, 3 years. So I'm done with it, and what I'm planning to do is flowers on it. I've seen these jeans, oh, they're very trendy, and I'm planning to draw flowers on these and make them trendy Gen Z chic because I am not a faint-hearted millennial. Pens, these are Fevicryl neon liners. I used them during COVID, if you remember. I'm gonna test them out on a piece of paper if they're working. Okay, let's see. There's not a lot of ink left, so I'm gonna cover the front and then hope and pray that I can cover the back because I want it to be all over. But let's see. Then when everybody asks where you got it from, these were plain, I DIY'd them. Isn't that amazing? Whew, I've got plastic bags. I'm gonna put them in the leg so that the color doesn't transfer to the back and look ugly. If I want it to be ugly, I want that to be my mistake, not like a, oh, the color just seeped through mistake. The experience of choosing your career path in 12th class. Honestly, my experience of choosing my career path was very easy. Luckily, my mom is from arts and she saw and understands the struggle of being somebody who does not, oh, actually you can't see it, wait. Luckily, my mom understands the experience of somebody who doesn't get math and what I used to go through with math and science, and she really let me she forced me to do arts because she said, you cannot do it. Trust me, girl, you can't do it. Okay, so this is not, there's not enough green, so I'm just going to put green in the middle and then draw with the orange maybe. My marks allowed me to take medical, but my mom said, you can't do it. Remember how much you've been struggling since class 5? You can't do maths. Why are you taking this? And the thing is, even in medical, you would have maths. Like, I wanted to do biology. I was genuinely interested in the human body, how it works and everything, but you still had to take math. And I was like, why the hell? You had to take physics, I think. So physics would have math, and oh my god! Are you kidding me?
There's a big blob of color.
What the hell just happened? I am dying. I'm gonna get a paintbrush. Hold on, hold that thought. Okay, now I remember I anyway wanted this to be a flat pattern, so I'm just gonna flatten the rest also with my paintbrush. Okay, it's okay, baby. You know what, guys? We're gonna make this work. I anyways wanted it to have like a DIY feel. Now it's really DIY, so it's okay, people. It's okay. Can you like help me right now? My nose is itching so much because I'm so nervous. So my advice to anybody who is at a time where you have to choose your stream and you don't want to do something, just don't do it. Did leaving math fix all my problems in school? Absolutely it did. I would highly recommend. Not having to study science was the best thing that ever happened in my life. How can one score good in physics? Like, I'm done with this subject. Honey, I would not have had the last conversation on camera if I knew how to do that. Like, if I knew how to score good in physics, do you think I would have taken arts? I would also love to be an IIT dropout like all of these other people, but I'm not. I don't know. I couldn't understand physics. Like, why do we, like, the thing about, oh, a body is in motion, because, you know, the train thing where, oh, the train is moving but you're not moving. Like, I couldn't understand that, God, for so long. Summer or winter outfits, which do you prefer? There's something about the winter outfit that makes you look rich. I don't know why. Like, you wear a lot of furry stuff, you cover up the boots. I just love winter fashion. But summer fashion is so easy, breezy, like you wear whatever and you're okay, you're not just shivering, and it's just great. So I have no one in particular. DIY clothes hacks, well, this is the video. Daily makeup for Indian girls, I mean, what's the difference? Indian girls and like just girls in particular, right? You can watch any of my makeup tutorial, literally. I don't do a lot of makeup, I don't use foundation, I don't do all that stuff. So you can watch any of my video, and that's just a normal everyday makeup. It's just very simple. You target your areas that you want to hide. Say you have dark circles, which all of us have because we love social media too much and we're late night on our phones. So just cover that. Like, it's not a lot. Makeup is not rocket science. No matter what the makeup art, the MUAs or the James Charles of the world might tell you, makeup is so easy once you get the hang of it. Really, makeup is nothing. Literally, makeup is nothing. It's so easy. The only difference at why these okay, makeup artists or these people are good at it is because they have a lot of product at their hand with which they can practice, right? You can become good at makeup if you have a lot of it and you practice back to back, okay? So makeup is not that difficult. So along the same lines, I also have another question of makeup and skincare for starters, please. Again guys, I've made loads of videos on this topic, like so many I can't even tell you, but then this person messaged me, they personally messaged me on Instagram saying, you know, whenever people ask you for video ideas, you just link your old videos. We ask you for it so you can make a new video about it. So I can do an updated video, I guess, with that title. But to answer your question, makeup and skincare for starters. Skincare for starters is cleansing, toning, moisturizing. Just the basic is wash your face twice in the morning and at night. Put a cream after it. Simple. That's it. That's all you need to do. And also wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is like, come on dude, everybody should be wearing a sunscreen. Like we're in 2022, that's all you need to do. And wear a sunscreen. Biotique has good sunscreens. Your makeup for beginners, now it depends what you like. Some people like a really simple look, some people like more. I think makeup for beginners, you need, the number one thing is, if you're a beginner, learn to take off your makeup properly. Otherwise your skincare and your makeup is going to be worse. Use makeup removing wipes. I don't want any of you to be using that refreshing face towelettes. I don't care if the dukandar bhaiya or didi tells you this will take off your makeup. No, you use the makeup wipes which have the words makeup removing wipes on it to remove your makeup. You want to do makeup, you put on a little concealer, mascara, blush, lipstick, you're done. That's all you need. I'm telling you, you don't need to do anything else. I don't care what these people keep telling you. Guys, are you ready for the jeans reveal? Oh my god, that was so bright. I love these. Wait. What do you think? I think these look super duper fun. I get a proper angle for this button. Right, it's like very basics, but the pants are fun. Like, yeah. It's like basics on top, but party at the bottom. I am loving this and I would highly recommend you go ahead and paint on your most expensive jeans. I hope you guys enjoyed this session of DIY and chat with me. Let me know if you would like to do more of these because I am always doing DIYs. I live for DIYs and organization. So if you want to do another session like this, I could do it on Instagram. I could do a live, loads of options. So let me know. I think I've done one before. Have I? No. I do mukbangs and chat, but this is my first DIY and chat. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, I just got back from work, but I was too excited to wear these jeans and I'm so excited. I'm gonna style them on my upcoming flight. I have a San Francisco trip coming up, so you'll be seeing lots of photos from that. Not with this shirt, but these pants. So watch out for that on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's MyIndianLife, life with a Y. You can follow my main channel as well, which is MyIndianLife. And I will link everything at the end of the video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.